Hello students, in this video we will discuss one very important question. The question is discuss the changes that occurred in India through local self-government during the British rule. The question is very important, social science history part class 9. If you watch this video on YouTube, please like my channel Indra Coaching Classes, like this video and comment. If you have any question, write in the comment box. I will try to discuss, I will try to give you the answer. The question is uh, discuss the changes that occurred in India through local self-government during the British rule. You know, Lord Mayo became the Viceroy of India in 1869 and he continued till 1872. During this period, he took initiative for the development of local self-government, and his first step was that he took a resolution on the financial decentralization, and this financial decentralization paved the way for the development of local self-government in India. This was his contribution. The provinces were given the responsibility over the departments of education, health, prisoner, you see, law and order, local law and order of the provinces. And he also managed central fund for the development of these departments. The provinces were also given the power to impose taxes locally for raising funds for the development of education, health, prisoner, all these departments. This is what he did. And next, after him, uh, Lord Ripon became the Viceroy of India. He continued the process started by Lord Mayo. He favored local self-government, but he used local self-government as a political education. He wanted to involve Indian in administration and give them political education. He also supported modern education in India. He, you see, started the formation of local boards in some provinces, in the districts of the provinces. In some provinces, he formed local boards on subdivisional level. He wanted to appoint elected members in the local boards. He wanted to free local self-government from the control of the central administration. In towns, you see, in towns, town committees were formed. In bigger towns, municipal boards were formed, and this way he developed local self-government and wanted to involve Indian people in the administration. As a tool for political education, he used it. His motive was to, you see, even the chairman of the boards should be elected person. He did not want that central body or the government body should hold the post in the local boards. This way he developed, and this way changes came in the country. People were given training for the administrative activities. Indians were given training for the administrative activities, and you know, uh, but that time the Secretary of State for India rejected most of the proposal of you see Lord Ripon. Even then, it developed and brought about changes. You see, we have village panchayat, and headman of the village is called Gaon Budha or Mukhya in some states. Today, we have municipal boards in bigger towns. In smaller towns, we have municipal, you see, town committees. In Mahanagars, in cities, we have municipal corporation. These are the different forms of सॉरी दीज आर द डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट. तो इस तरीके से लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा हमारे देश में कुछ परिवर्तन लाने की कोशिश की गई लॉर्ड रिपन, लॉर्ड मायो के द्वारा. मैं समझता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगेगा। आप पेज को इस चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू। हैव ए नाइस टाइम। कीप on preparing for your examination. My good wishes are with you.